Welcome to this guide on virtual private networks, commonly known as VPNs. In this video, we'll explore what VPNs are, how they work, and why they're essential for online privacy and security in today's digital world. A virtual private network, or VPN, is a technology that creates a secure, encrypted tunnel between your device and the internet. This tunnel hides your online activities from anyone who might be watching, including your internet service provider, hackers, or even government surveillance. Think of it as a private, invisible pathway through the public internet. Here's how a VPN works in simple terms. When you connect to the internet through a VPN, your data first travels to a VPN server. This server then forwards your request to the website or service you want to access. The website sees the VPN server's location and IP address instead of yours, effectively masking your real identity and location. VPNs offer several important benefits. First, they encrypt your internet traffic, making it unreadable to anyone who intercepts it. Second, they hide your IP address and physical location, providing anonymity online. Third, they protect your sensitive data when using public Wi-Fi networks at cafes or airports. And fourth, they allow you to bypass geographic restrictions, letting you access content that might be blocked in your region. VPNs use different protocols to establish secure connections. OpenVPN is an open-source protocol known for being highly secure and configurable, making it popular among privacy-conscious users. WireGuard is a newer, modern protocol that's extremely fast and lightweight while maintaining strong security. IPsec is particularly excellent for mobile devices because it handles network changes well, maintaining stable connections even when you switch between Wi-Fi and cellular data. Let's talk about the difference between free and paid VPN services. Free VPNs often come with significant limitations. They typically restrict your bandwidth and speed, may actually log and sell your browsing data to advertisers, offer fewer server locations, and frequently display intrusive advertisements. On the other hand, paid VPNs provide unlimited bandwidth for smooth browsing, maintain strict no-logs policies to protect your privacy, offer access to a global network of servers, and include advanced security features like kill switches and split tunneling. People use VPNs for various practical purposes. Many use them to secure their browsing on public Wi-Fi networks, which are notorious for being vulnerable to hackers. Remote workers rely on VPNs to safely access their company's internal resources from home or while traveling. Entertainment enthusiasts use VPNs to access streaming content from different regions that might not be available in their country. And privacy-conscious individuals use VPNs to maintain their privacy from internet service providers and online trackers who collect browsing data. While VPNs are powerful tools, they do have some limitations you should be aware of. They may reduce your internet speed slightly because of the encryption process and the extra distance your data travels through VPN servers. Not all VPN services guarantee complete anonymity, especially free ones that may keep logs. Quality VPN services require subscription fees, typically ranging from $5 to $15 per month. And importantly, VPNs are actually illegal or heavily restricted in some countries with strict internet censorship laws, so always check local regulations. When selecting a VPN provider, there are several key factors to consider. First, always check for a strict no-logs policy, which means the provider doesn't record your browsing activities. Look for strong encryption standards like AES-2 56-bit encryption. Verify that the provider has server locations in regions that match your needs, whether for accessing specific content or optimizing connection speed. And finally, read independent reviews and security audits from reputable technology publications to ensure the provider has been verified by third-party experts. In conclusion, VPNs are powerful tools for enhancing your online privacy and security. They encrypt your data, hide your identity, and give you more control over your digital footprint. However, remember to use them responsibly and always choose trusted, reputable providers with proven track records. Stay informed, stay protected, and take control of your online privacy today.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.